Behind me is a heavily modified Lamborghini Revuelto, and in this box is the secret weapon fab full race exhaust system. And in today's video, we're gonna be installing this and showing you guys the comparison between stock and not. Now, to give you a good comparison, let's hear a couple revs with the factory exhaust system. The exhaust is pretty quiet. The tone is mediocre and it just doesn't give the true feeling of driving a Lamborghini V12. With all of the new rules and regulations that these vehicles are required to have, Lamborghini has no other choice but to put that muffled exhaust system on their new vehicles. Secret Weapon is a company primarily based out of Brazil, and they make beautiful products. Inside this box, you can see this stunning Lamborghini Revuelto full exhaust system. And if you haven't heard what this sounds like, now you can probably understand why I'm so excited for this. Every exhaust system is going to be different because of how they design their exhaust. All of the different lengths within the exhaust, all of that matters, and it makes every system and every manufacturer sound different and unique. When this is done, we're gonna give you a very good listen at what this exhaust sounds like, because I'm probably just as excited to hear this thing under load with this exhaust system as you are. And first glance, looking at this box, Secret Weapon Fab takes a lot of pride in how they ship and deliver their products. You can see this box has these metal latches, and inside this box is that exhaust that looks so good. You can see all of the custom laser etched logos on the front of this exhaust, claiming this as Secret Weapons. Now, this is the full race exhaust system, so you do have the downpipes and the catback. This Revuelto already came to us in the shop here for this Duke Dynamic carbon aero package that everyone seems to love and know. You have the much more aggressive front carbon lip, complete carbon replacement hood, carbon replacement side skirts, a brand new complete carbon hatch and wing, and on the bumper over here that's already taken off for the installation, you have these light diffuser blades that look incredible, especially at nighttime. This owner also put Brixton forged wheels with these blue painted centerpieces that match the blue Cephas paint that is on this Lamborghini that looks so good. After we put the exhaust system on, this Revuelto is going to be a complete bespoke build. From the factory, the Revuelto is lacking in so many different areas. The Aero isn't as aggressive as what it should have been from the factory. In my opinion, aftermarket wheels add so much more to the look as well. And of course, the exhaust system that we're going to be putting on here, because from the factory, Lamborghini does not give this Italian V12 the justice it deserves. I already unboxed everything, but you can see all of the padding they use to make sure that the product stays in pristine shape. All of this bubble wrap, you have all of the V-bands and the hardware in the boxes here that are designed to fit and make this exhaust system work properly. But now that you've gotten a pretty good look at the product, we're going to be installing this right now on the Revuelto. The guys have already started. As you can see, the rear wheels are off, the car is on the lift. We have the rear bumper taken off. Now we have to take off the factory exhaust system, starting with the heat shield and then the catback system, so we can access what's behind there to install what's to come. Now with all of the OEM heat shields taken off, you can visually see the amount of weight that you're going to be saving compared from the stock exhaust to the new Secret Weapon catback system. Just visually, you can clearly tell how much you're going to be saving and how much more noise is going to be coming out of this compared to that. Now that we have the heat shields removed here in the rear, we can take off that stock muffler that is droning out all of the noise. Behind that muffler sits the stock downpipes, which the guys need to take out of here. Although the factory downpipes on the Revuelto are pretty difficult to take out, the guys made pretty easy work of it, taking out that driver's side first, because the passenger side is a little bit more difficult. But now that we have this out of here, we can do a little comparison of what the stock downpipe looks like compared to the new one. Well, isn't that a comparison?
Those bad boys better made up perfect. There's no flex in there.
No, I know, I noticed that.
When the guys were taking a closer look at the downpipes that we're going to be installing, they noticed that there is no flex in the two long ends of that pipe where the O2 sensors are. That will make this install a little bit more difficult because of fitment. If that downpipe is off just by a little bit, those won't be able to mate up, and we'll have to do some modifications to the exhaust, which we don't want to do because modifying the shape or how that downpipe is will modify the sound. So we want to do as much as we can to not modify that. Well, we got the driver's side downpipe installed completely here. You have the O2 sensors installed there. We have the clamp down here completely tightened. This side is in. This is the easier side on all of the Revueltos. This side is a little bit more tight, making it a little bit more difficult to pull this side out. But while the guys are working incredibly hard getting this exhaust system put in there, I want to talk a little bit more about the design and why Secret Weapon Fab makes a brilliant system and why it sounds so good. Secret Weapon were the first to release an official aftermarket exhaust for the Lamborghini Revuelto back in August of 2024. Secret Weapon used stainless steel and they put their Inconel wrap around this thing to protect this car because obviously the hybrid battery on every single Revuelto is right next to the exhaust system. The exhaust runs right around it, so you need to make sure that that is properly sealed and that the crazy heat that comes from that Italian 6.5 liter V12 stays away from that hybrid battery. Here momentarily we should have the rest of the exhaust out of this Revuelto. We should have the rest of the Secret Weapon Fab installed, and then we're gonna get a startup for you guys so you can get that first listen at what this Revuelto is going to sound like. Taking one last good look at this Secret Weapon Fab complete exhaust system before it gets hidden behind the factory heat shields here. The entirety of this exhaust is installed. Now we just need to reinstall the back end of this car, and then we can get the first startup with this exhaust system fully installed. So we now have the rear bumper back on the Lamborghini Revuelto. The full Secret Weapon Fab exhaust is installed. You can see the single exit, not the dual exit, here in the rear, making this car look quite incredible. Obviously the Duke Dynamics carbon aero package that this car was here to get a few weeks back, but now everything is completed, so we're about to hear the first startup, and I am super, super excited. Sounds good. This thing sounds great. Yeah.
I had to put some gas on it.
Oh yeah, let's hear a couple reps. That is insane. So now that you guys have heard what this Revuelto sounds like, now we have to put back the fender liners, put the wheels back on the ground, put the wheels back on the car so we can get this car on the ground. And we need to put this car through a little bit of testing before we release it to the new owner. We want to make sure that everything is proper before this car leaves. Those revs were about 4,000 RPM and they sounded insane. So I can't wait to hear what this car sounds like on the road and under pressure. I bet it sounds out of this world. And oh, I was right. Take a listen to this.